do, what it be, what it is, YouTube. Alright, today we're going to be coming out with an Amazon Light product review, or Lightish. So, let's see what products we got. You guys have asked about this headlamp for a while now. So I'm going to put this in the review here, even though it's not a new product. But this headlamp is like a spotlight, and it lasts all night long. If you have a camping trip, you can use this thing for the weekend. But it is a no-joke spotlight. Look at the island out there. I can see all the way over. Oh, look at that scooter. It's in the beam. Yeah, straight up spotlight. Got a low setting too. Still pretty bright for a low, but you know. Pretty good light. Pretty good light. On Amazon right now, it's on sale from like $49.99 to $31.99, I think. And then they also have like a clip and save as well. So you want a good bright headlamp. It's got an internal battery. Lasts for a long time. Let's look at the next product. Alright, our next product is from Untitled Inflatable Camping Lantern, 1,000 lumens. I was talking about these in my last review video while I was in the tent, that I want one for inside of the tent. So comes with a little baggie. Apparently you can use this as a lantern too. You have it powered up while it's inside of this clear white bag. It's got some straps here. Got an extension cable. I think it was supposed to be like 6 to 6.5 feet or something like that. Maybe longer. Same size as the cord that comes with it. It's just twice. You can, and I didn't even know it came with a battery pack. It's like one that you got to put regular batteries in. But I've never seen one of these that actually like had a USB port on it. But it's got a USB port. So we'll plug this up while it's rolled up. Alright. And there's like a slow strobe and then a fast strobe. Alright, let's blow it up. I did that one good deep breath. It's not going to go inside of itself like all the other inflatable type stuff. There it goes. There it goes. Alright. Oh, I think the skeeter's biting me in the fingers. Alright, there we go. That's pretty bright. How low does it get? Blinks each time. That's the low setting right there. And it's got magnets on it, and it's also got a tie strap right here. So you can tie it up like in the center of the tent. Also has magnets on it so you can hook it to like a car or something. Apparently that's not metal. What do we have around here that's metal? That's my rod holder. It might be aluminum. Got keys. There it goes, sticking to my keys. But it has magnets like down there, up there, so that way you have two magnets. That way you can stick it like on the top of an RV door or something like that, or whatever purpose you have for it. But it says it's 1,000 lumens. Alright. We're going to set this over here and have it aim towards us. Give us a little bit more light. You don't need any extension cables or anything right now. Alright. Now what's our next product? Let's see here. This is a fan slash light for hanging inside of a tent. For whatever purpose, it has a clip as well. You can clip it on the side of a desk, clip it wherever. Clip it on the side of your chair. What I'm about to do with it. Got a charger wire and everything too, but we don't need that. It's already charged. Alright, it also comes with a remote control. I'll put the Amazon picture up here. So turn it on for you guys up close. And then also we have lights. That's why this falls into the light review. And it's got 360 spin. It's also got a clip here, so you can go into larger bars, smaller bars, tree branches, wherever. And also got a clip there hanging on the back of your tent, or on the top of your tent, or wherever you feel like hanging it. So you can angle it where you need to it. Nice little fan there. I like it. And I love that it has a remote. Oh, that's high. Oh man. That's pretty good wind gust, but it's cold air out here. I don't really want to be having like super cold air on it. Alright, let's put that on our table. We got that running. Last product for the product review All these mosquitoes always bothering me out here. I've been trying to find a bug zapper that was actually a bug zapper that was rechargeable, not plug-in. Well, I found one. This is SOBZ-01 New Upgrade Solar Zapper from Functions. Indoor, outdoor. And this falls into the light review and light-ish review because it does have a blue light, but it also has a light to see what you're doing too. Here goes the thing here. We'll turn on the bug zapper. There's the bug zapper. And then over here, it has a light. But the light also 360s, or like 180s. So we'll turn that on too. So we got a light here on your bug zapper. Big light to draw them in. Little one to, so we're gonna hang that up, see how that does, see if we can see any bugs getting it's a little chilly, so all the bugs kind of disappeared. So all in all, I mean, I see one bug get zapped on this tonight. I'm gonna think it's worth it because thousands of mosquitoes attack my lights out here. Oh, one's coming to it now. Go inside, man. I just watched one fly in, but he didn't fly out. I heard like a small singe sound, but I didn't see any zap. But I like ran after him with it, and then he flew right into it. All right, let me set this up. We got this lighter right here inside of my tripod and right towards us, glowing the whole ground and everything. I mean, it's pretty aight. There go our bug zapper right next to the bike, next to the big lamp. Got another light aimed down towards us down here. Then we got that another light right there, fan, aimed at our chair. I'm gonna sit out here, fish for a little bit, see if I can catch anything. What it do, what it be, what it is. I think that light bar is gonna work great for the tent, and it gets very small. You can put it in your pocket, so that's pretty awesome. Then the fan, I mean, I was sitting in the chair and this thing is blowing on me. I got it set on low. It's a little chilly out here, but a low breeze is just feeling real nice on my face. And it's like nice and glowing. And then that thing right there, man, I've seen like 3 or 4 bugs get zapped by it so far. So far so good. It's working. Told you any bugs get zapped tonight by it, man. When I see the thousands of bugs, it's gonna fry some things. So that's gonna be awesome. But y'all get it right, get it tight. I hope y'all like this review and some of these products. And if y'all like this and you want to see more of these reviews on products like this and the outdoor type reviews, hit me down in there in the comments and let me know. Y'all get it right, get it tight. I'll holla at you later.